Welcome to Better Life Maids. Are you ready to take your cleaning skills to the next level and earn great money doing it? Well, you're in luck because at Better Life Maids, we don't expect you to already be a professional cleaner. We'll provide all the training and support you need to become an expert in the field. But it's just not about the skills. We value attitude and teamwork just as much. And that's why we want you to come to work each day with a positive, ready-to-work mindset. Not only will this make your day better, but it will also help you make your client's day by providing them with excellent service and a sparkling clean home. We expect all team members to arrive on time, listen to their trainers, and follow their guidance. Stay up to date on work orders and team communications. Review their training materials, focus on providing top-notch client service, use only the cleaning products provided by the office, and follow safety guidelines. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to support you and help you succeed in this professional role. So, are you ready to take the first step towards becoming a top performing cleaner at Better Life Maids? Let's get started on your journey today. First steps. When working as a team member at Better Life Maids, it's important to arrive with a cheerful, ready-to-work attitude. This not only makes your day better, but also makes your client's day. Arrive on time to your homes and the office, and listen to your trainer's instructions and guidance during training as they are experts in their field. Review the day's work orders and any new Slack posts before beginning your day, as supporting each other is a huge part of the culture at Better Life Maids. Make sure to review the information in your training handbook and other supporting materials and training videos if necessary. And when you have a question that may not have been answered that day, focus on providing excellent client services to each client by using good client service techniques and providing a sparkling clean house after their long day at work. It's important to use only the cleaning products provided by the office to ensure safety and prevent any damages that may occur in the field. Always follow all safety guidelines, even if it's annoying or inconvenient. For example, wearing gloves or masks. They can be uncomfortable, but they could save someone's life if they are disabled or immunocompromised. If you ever have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Your trainer and everyone in the office are here to help in any way we can. And remember that this is a professional job. And the skills you are being taught during training will help you work better, faster, and be successful. Get to know our products and equipment. We believe in providing the best cleaning while also being mindful of the environment and health of our technicians and clients. That's why we supply all the products and tools you'll need to make each home safely sparkle. No need to worry about harsh chemicals or dangerous cleaning products. Our products are not only all natural, they're also safe for pets and kids. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that the homes you service are not only clean, but also safe for the little ones to run around and play. And our products are not just safe, they are also highly effective against grease and soil, leaving your home spotless. We also understand that some clients may have allergies or asthma. That's why we carefully evaluate and approve all of our equipment, including allergy-friendly products and vacuums with HEPA filters. This guarantees that our cleaning methods are suitable for all clients and their health needs. When you arrive at a client's home, it's important to be organized and efficient to ensure a successful cleaning experience. First, read the work order on your Maid Central app to see what needs to be done and how you will be getting in. Make note of the time allotted on the work order and come up with a plan of attack for the home. Next, unload your supplies and equipment from the car in one trip, if possible to save time and energy. Introduce yourself to the client if they're home and ask if there's anything that needs extra attention. Remember to never tell the client, "Oh, you're new," and try not to spend more than 2 to 3 minutes just talking to them. If the client wants to keep talking, you can use a polite phrase like, "Well, I better get to it. It was good talking to you," to help end the conversation. Once inside the home, check the kitchen counter for notes or special instructions from the client. All payments to Better Life Maids are electronic. So if a client left a check or cash, notify the office right away. If the client left a note, read it and make a plan for any changes requested to the cleaning that day. If the note calls for changes to the work order or rooms being cleaned, be sure to post a picture of the note to our group chat on Slack and use Maid Central to send it to the office. Begin your first task and collect your supplies. As you gain experience, you'll find the routine that works best for you when working alone. Start by cleaning rooms level by level and tackling the biggest and dirtiest rooms first, which is usually the kitchen or master bathroom. When working as a team, divide tasks evenly and check each other's work once you've finished ensuring everything is maintained. Remember that each home is different, so the most efficient way to clean will depend on the specifics of the home and the number of technicians. Pro tip: when working in a team, it is a good idea to swap areas each visit. This prevents you from becoming blind to certain areas, messes, and gives each part of the home a fresh set of eyes. Also, when working with a team, always check each other's work once they finish for the exact same reason. Breaking up the home when working as a team. Here's the perfect plan to break up cleaning tasks when working as a team of two. First, one team member should start dusting while the other starts in the master bathroom and completes the other bathrooms. Once the first team member is done with dusting or bathrooms, they should move on to the kitchen while the other starts vacuuming. Finally, both team members should mop on the way out of the door and check over your work for the final touch. This is just a guide, and you can always adjust the plan as needed depending on the home. Be sure to discuss the plan with your teammates before getting started to make sure everyone is on the same page. For example, if high dusting needs to be done, one teammate should start by high dusting all areas that need to be done. Starting with the rooms, the other technicians will be cleaning first. You're just a few steps away from becoming a certified Better Life Maids cleaning technician. Get ready to conquer any home with confidence and ease.